StandBy turns your iPhone into a smart display when it's charging and propped up on its side. It's one of the most underrated features in iOS, and most people have it enabled without even knowing what it does. When your iPhone is plugged in, locked, and positioned horizontally, like on a nightstand charger or a MagSafe stand, StandBy activates automatically. It shows large, easy-to-read information such as the time, date, weather, calendar events, or your favorite widgets. Think of it as a bedside clock powered by your iPhone. Let's make sure it's actually turned on. Open Settings, tap StandBy, and make sure the feature is enabled. If you have an iPhone 14 Pro or newer, you can also turn on Always On, so the display stays visible even in a dark room without needing to touch your phone. Now, let's customize what StandBy actually shows. When StandBy is active, swipe up or down to switch between its three view modes. The first is Widgets, with two columns you can customize by pressing and holding either side to add, remove, or rearrange widgets. The second is Photos, which displays images from your library or selected album. The third is the Clock, where you can choose from several styles including digital, world clock, or floating numbers. Swipe left or right within each mode to explore different layouts. There's another feature that's easy to miss. In a dark room, StandBy automatically switches to a red-tinted night mode. The display becomes dimmer and easier on your eyes, helping avoid disturbing your sleep. You don't need to enable anything. It activates automatically when your iPhone detects low light. Here's how to get the most out of StandBy every day. Place your iPhone on a MagSafe charger with a stand that holds it horizontally. A Belkin MagSafe stand is a popular option, but any horizontal charging stand will work. Set the widgets view with a clock widget on the left and something useful on the right, like calendar, weather, or reminders. Every time you place your iPhone on charge, you'll instantly have a helpful at-a-glance display. Once it's set up on a stand, StandBy makes your iPhone genuinely useful while it's sitting on your desk or bedside table. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.